said you walked on the moon when you didn't. Calling the kettle black if I ever thought of it. Saying I misrepresented myself.
Away from me.
You're a coward and a liar and a thief.
You want me to knock you in the head?
Well, I want you to swear to God on the Bible that you walked on the moon. If you walked on the moon, we're given the opportunity to swear to God that you walked on the moon.
I'm going to give you the opportunity to get the hell knocked out of you and leave me alone.
So why don't you just put the end to the record in the argument, then put your hand on the Bible, swear to God you walked on the moon.
More land. Because they show you cartoons of the world. Maps.
Why don't you quote me and say it's bullshit?
That's what you're on and all of it. That would be a great way to like hide a good chunk of it. Maybe the chunk you're on. You know why it's flat? They're images of Earth, they're paintings. They're CGI. It's not proof. There's still no real time video film of your Earth as a ball doing one day spin. Just 1 day spinning. Just 1 day in real time, 24/7. I mean, even that. Forget the 7-Eleven 24/7 camera surveillance on the planet from a distance where we can see it. Watch how the entire thing operates scientifically. If I were to spend trillions of dollars on an
You
agency,
search images of Earth from space, you're
the
gonna
most
see that
valuable,
image. I mean,
the most
why would you
valuable
have fake images
result
and computer
of all
animated
these
images of
technological
Earth
endeavors and
when you can
feats
have
and
the real
innovations
thing? So
of
basically, when you
sending
search Earth
equipment
from space,
at high
you
altitude,
should see
at
all
far
real
distance from
images
Earth,
of Earth
would
from
be
space. Like, why?
to have a
Everybody
camera
thinks NASA does
watching
science.
the
So
weather
why wouldn't
patterns
you see that?
as they really unfold
No, you get this.
on that real ball Earth model.
Ribbons of imagery.
We
Why
don't
would you
have
need to
that.
do that? Yeah, because there's supposed to be satellites past the Earth orbit.
Time's
Why can't
up.
you just take a fucking picture?
There's a serious fraud going on right
Apollo
now
17's
in
image
every
of Earth,
space agency
and they use it
worldwide.
all the time, and nobody ever thinks about
And
it.
it's time human beings
This picture is in
turn off
every
the TV,
single science
stop
book.
believing
See that sickle cell
CGI,
formation? This
and
picture is
ask
so
yourself,
distinctive.
how come
They
we
use it on the
can't
covers
see
of
the Earth in
magazines.
its total
They still
global
use it today.
form
I saw it.
as
It must be
purported
3 weeks
allegedly
ago now, but I
through
clicked on an article
scientists,
because it has this fucking image in it.
pundits,
They still use
experts
this picture
for
to represent
centuries.
Earth.
With the camera technology and aerospace technology of today, we cannot have 24-hour surveillance of the weather at a distance forming in the skies of our Earth as a ball. They've stolen your money because that is so invaluable to studying the Earth if it's a ball than anything they've done.
That's an official photo.
To be able to see the Earth from space and tap in any human being to see the weather clouds form over their town, or their region, or their state, or their country during the night, lightning storms, all sorts of weather phenomena, to know how the tornado started, how the hurricane started, so we can all be privy and we can all know this transparent, open, scientific evidence of what happened in the sky today. You would think,
An image will immediately show up in your
you would imagine, somebody would say, excuse me, what if we had a camera watching the whole thing? We could study the Earth or the globe. You'd think somebody, if I'm the first to ever ask that question, well then we are seriously asleep. The scientific community is asleep.
Surface is flat.
The elected officials or selected officials are lying to you or asleep.
Also, correction, unfortunately. We're down a standby. If you can hear me, we're going to get back.
Everybody jump now!
causing a lot of controversy. You can see the sign. It reads, no, is it meant to be anti-Semitic or something else entirely? Let's go live to 7 Action News reporter Camille Neary with more on this story. Camille.
Well, Carolyn, that is $1 million question. What exactly does the statement on this billboard mean?
We have some breaking news. Otherwise, I wouldn't cut you off so abruptly. Carlos Warner, thanks for joining us.
Everybody jump now!
There's a serious fraud going on right now in every space agency worldwide. And it's time human beings stop believing CGI and ask yourself, how come we can't see the Earth in its total global form as purported allegedly through scientists, pundits, experts for centuries? With the camera technology and aerospace technology of today, we cannot have 24-hour surveillance of the weather patterns as it is forming in the skies of our Earth as a ball. They've stolen your money because that
Images
is so invaluable
as
to study the Earth
not a
as a
proof
ball.
that the Earth is a sphere.
They've done
Unless they're authentic,
to be
one
able to see the Earth
snapshot
from space
of the Earth
and tap
as a
in
ball.
any human being
Here's where it gets
to
into.
see the weather clouds
There are no
form over
photos
their
of the
town,
Earth as a
or their
ball.
region, or their state, or their country
Those are all
during the night.
CGI
lightning storms,
paintings,
all
special
sorts of
effects.
weather phenomena.
Because the
Do you
water's
know
too
how the
cartoon
tornadoes
blue,
started, how the
Africa's too
hurricanes started,
brown,
so we
and
can
you're
all
seeing
be
it through the blue
privy, and we
atmosphere,
can
and it's
all
not
know
reflecting
this
as a
transparent,
planetary
open,
body that you claim is a sphere,
evidence of what
3
happened in
parts
the sky
water,
today. You would think
reflecting the dark blackness of space. It's not realistic. It's fake. It's a cartoon. You have cartoons as proof. Now I'm going to remove all that. Now what do you have? Well, now you have a space agency who makes these cartoons. Now I'm going to remove that. Now you have 2 sticks, okay, at different points on your surface, think is a ball, that have different shadows. Doesn't work. I could put 2 sticks on a flat floor with a spotlight. I'll get the same effect as Aristophanes. Move that. Now what do you have? Planes? Planes are just going around in circles. I could do that on a flat floor. It doesn't make my house a ball. Remove that. No planes. Doesn't work. What do you got left? The boat on the horizon? Dude, we put it under a telescope. We still see it. We still see the skyline. Done. Boat on the telescope doesn't work. What then you're gonna try to get me to steer at the toilet to see if it drains the other way? That's a wise tale, dum-dum. Done. Okay? What's next? The moon landing? Oh yeah, when they're leaving the surface of the moon with the camera pivoting up and panning back? How's that possible in 1969? How's that possible going to the moon, but you can't cross Antarctica in a straight line completely in 69 because it's too cold in Antarctica? That's what they said. How's outer space colder than Antarctica? Done. Next. What do you got left? What do you got left? You got nothing, buddy. You got nothing except parroting and the habituation of never questioning what you were told. As a boy, as a kid,